Good morning students, myself Rahim Nisa. Now I am going to be explain chapter 2, that is energy from the sun. Like sun raises heat and light, what we are getting, that is energy from the sun. As you all know what is sun. The earth on which the sun, all the planets revolve around the sun in solar system. The earth on which we live is full of diversity. Diversity means what? Variety. We read in the previous classes about some aspect of the diversity: oceans, continents, mountains, plateaus and plains on the continents, and the regions of high and scanty rainfall. So student, in the last class already I explained you that the earth is consist of number of variety of things, that is oceans, continents, mountains, plateaus and plains on the continents. These all are located on the continents, and the regions of high and scanty rainfall, where there was a high and less rainfall, we have seen in the last chapter. But in this chapter we shall study about another important form of diversity. Here we are going to see another type of variety in this chapter, which we could not see but only feel. That variety which we cannot see but we only feel, that is diversity in temperature. So in this lesson we are going to be learn about the temperature, about the variety of temperature, how the changes of temperature we are going to be seeing this lesson. You will have noticed that while it is cool in the morning, it gets warmer during the day and gets cool again in the night. Similarly, you may have noted that it's very hot in some months, and in some months of the year less hot in other months. So students, you will note that daily in our daily life, in daytime it will be a warm, again it will get cool in night time. Similarly, some months, the like 3 months, summer will be there, winter will be there, rainy will be there. So the temperature was changing day and night, and temperature was changing months and months also. This is known as variation of temperature in one place. For the changes of temperature in day and night and the changes of temperature of the season, that is called as variation of temperature. It means changes of temperature. Diversity in temperature means variety of temperature. Variation of temperature means changes of temperature in one place. Understood students? The temperatures was changing in day and night, and the temperature was changing months and months, like summer, winter and rainy. So these all known as changes or variation of temperature. It means changes of temperature in one place. Temperature also varies from one place to another place on the earth. Some regions are warm while some regions are so cold, as they are covered with ice throughout the year. You have read about the equatorial regions where it's warmer throughout the year, and later on you will also read about the polar region which are very cold. So the temperature will not be same in the whole world. The temperature will be different from one place to another places. As you all know that equatorial, where they'll receive more number of heat compared to the North Pole and South Pole. So the temperature will be different in the equatorial regions, where the regions of North Pole and South Pole, that is the polar region, the temperature will be different compared to the equatorial region. Temperature difference between places also caused winds and rains. Because of changes in temperature, because of changes in temperature, the wind and rain also will come. The amount of rain received at a place is to some extent determined by the temperature difference between places. The rain will come in a particular place because of changes in temperature. Nowadays also we are getting the rain because there was changes in temperature. That's why we are also getting the rain and wind. Temperature and rainfall affect life in very critical way. Plants and animals depend upon heat and water. Only some kinds of trees and plants will grow in hot region. The temperature and rainfall, they'll play a very critical form. It's very important way. Temperature and rainfall affect life in very critical way. They also play a very important role in the life of plants and animals. Why? Because plants and animals, even the human beings, also depend upon heat and water. Only some kinds of trees can grow in the hot region and some other kinds will grow in cold region. So the in hot region only some type of vegetation can grow, it means crops. In summer season you will get like mangoes, watermelon, but you cannot get in the winter season that one. In winter season you will get the corn, custard apples you will get. So changes in temperature, there was changes in crop also. Nothing grow in very cold region. Very cold region means was there will be a snowfall, frozen areas, ice, where we cannot grow anything because there will be snowfall, ice will be there each and everywhere. We cannot do the vegetation there. Thus we have variation in vegetation and animals life because of changes in temperature. There was different crops also in different temperature. In summer season you may can see a different type of crops. In winter season you may can see a different type of crops. In desert area you will see the different type of crops, where in the polar region you will see the different types of crops, where they cannot, in polar areas they cannot do the vegetation. That's why they will eat the eat the meat of fish, and in their meat they will eat. But why? Because the land will be frozen ice. That's why they cannot do any vegetation there, they cannot grow any crops there. So in this chapter we will study about variation in temperature in different part of the world. So in this lesson we are going to be see about the variety of temperature in the different parts of the world.